that. Oh no, Mehran, make the first one not instead of this big, make it this big because that's for the heading. Grandparents.
They can also contribute your ideas there. Any animations, pictures to be put there, you can put there.
Grandparents freedom.
Yeah, grandparents freedom and our
My freedom.
Our freedom or my?
Which one do you think is right?
Our freedom.
Our freedom. Okay.
We all make this much. Okay.
Now they can tell what to write and I will write it.
Either they can tell or you can give them
Very
controls
nice,
to
very
them.
nice. Comparative statement, huh? Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. They made a table for that reason.
Okay.
If you want to, if you don't want to, then Mehran can type for you.
Till then
We're not forcing you to do. Yeah, okay, go get water, Mehran. Okay. Have limited food.
Our freedom. Have more food.
Much and more. Much food. More food. Delete much.
Okay, I just want to clear something up. It's just that we don't have unlimited food either. Okay?
We
But
have
they'll go out.
Our
We have
grandparents.
much more food than our grandparents. Do you mind just can you go to your slide?
What?
Yeah, okay. I thought you accidentally
Also, one more
clicked.
thing. See, children, this can also go into methodology that after your school hours, your regular hours, you are joined late in the evening again to discuss more about projects. So this again can go into methodology. Okay, Swasti, Mehran, day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
Mehran, increase the font size.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's first let they write. Then then you guys can do more.
The font size a bit.
Oh man. Okay.
24
is enough. You have to make the table bigger.
The table will increase inside the more we write.
Yeah. The more he writes, Swasti, it'll keep resizing to a bigger size.
Okay.
Mehran, you need to be really quick now. You cannot make day, Swasti and all wait.
Yes, ma'am.
So more things to be added. Oh, actually, day is typing. Fine.
He is typing actually.
The spelling of grandparent is wrong.
It'll give us a spelling error and we can
Mehran,
fix
let him put his thoughts. Later, you can do the proofreading of spell check.
Exactly. It doesn't matter how bad your spelling is. I also have very bad spelling, so yeah.
No.
ये रेगुलर अपनी के लिए तो दिया अपने उसका कहाँ पे इसका कहाँ रखा है वो बटन हाँ
क्लास चल रही है
Story.
gross story.
There the spelling doesn't matter. We can easily proofread
Yeah.
that later.
Okay. Okay. First it.
And this is not marking it wrong. Yeah, now it has.
It's just marking it wrong, but it doesn't matter. Okay?
Freedom to make mistakes.
Freedom to make mistakes is my thing. Okay?
Done.
Okay. Can you give it back to Mehran?
Yes. I can.
Mehran, are you in control of your screen now?
About. Let me just fix all these. Ignore all.
Yeah, it's fine. Mehran will just proofread. Draw. Wait, just eyeball the spelling, we'll get it. Grocery. Store. Okay. Just click easy. Let's see what's the problem there.
It's EASY.
Does it matter? No. Because
Yeah,
I
the
have,
presentation, everything should be perfect.
we can easily
We can
put
do
these
after
through.
writing.
Yeah, we
Writing
can
is
first
more
write
important.
everything, no matter how bad our spelling is. Then we can all at once go and proofread it by going to review. There, the full thing gets proofreaded. I'm like, wow.
Oh,
That's what
wait a minute.
happens.
I will.
Personally, even I suck at spellings and I do a lot of spelling mistakes. That's why I never get full marks in exams. Why? It doesn't matter actually. So,
Swasti, I am chatting Vraj to come.
okay, great. That is very good. Okay.
Actually, very late.
Very good, very good. Let everybody join and share their ideas and thoughts. I think the PPT will get done now. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
it
is completed by
Over
tomorrow.
today, ma'am. We
Okay.
can't say it'll get over today. It'll take hours. So we'll have to do it.
See, this
I'll give
adjusting and
another
all.
meeting.
Swasti, 1 minute. This adjusting and all later you can do. First
Yeah,
typing.
first type the content,
Yeah,
then
yeah,
all
yeah.
the
The
formatting
content.
you want.
The second slide. Put the second.
Now,
slide.
1 second.
Yeah, second slide. Yeah. Start.
Go on.
Freedom to trust.
Freedom to trust. Who does
Yeah.
Who is
freedom to
freedom to
trust?
trust?
1
Freedom to
second.
trust was actually Arjun, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 second. Go to freedom to choose. Over here, go to freedom to choose. Freedom to choose.
Slide number 5.
Over there, insert a text box and write by Dhey Patel. full name.
Not required. Swasti, not exactly required.
Yeah,
Ma'am, who has written the
Wait,
content?
No. Swasti, it's okay. They know their part, so don't have to do that. But check
Okay.
this, than and all. Food than our grandparents. We have much more food than.
Yeah,
Is
Dan.
Mehran doing it? Mehran or they?
Yes, ma'am. I am doing it.
They. Mehran, okay. Than our grandparents, and we can buy it from online website like Amazon, Flipkart, or a small O, or we can go to malls or grocery store. You can.
Okay.
I've given you the remote control.
No.
Yeah,
Mehran, do it. Mehran, do it.
Okay,
It's okay.
Ma'am, I have chatted Raj to come.
Okay, dear. Okay, very
Okay,
good.
very good. Okay, just replace the first day with our grandparents because they should know who we are referring to.
Or alone. O has to be small children. O. Yeah. Okay, moving to the next one. Freedom to trust.
Second, ma'am. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, go back to freedom to choose. Over here, grandparents freedom, they have limited food. We should replace this first day with grandparents.
Okay.
That way they know who we are talking about. The audience knows who we are talking about. Just copy paste grandparents from above, no.
No, I'm not a copy paster.
And the G small.
Come on.
Okay, now go to 6.
Freedom to trust.
Freedom to trust, leave it empty. Okay, that is going to be empty.
I'm just going to bold this. And another one. What is next?
Freedom to trust.
Freedom after that, freedom to make mistakes. That's mine. I'll just do that. Then freedom of expression comes in. Okay, why don't you make that look a little bit more like a title, huh?
Okay, I'll line
Move it all the way.
We'll
up
do
to
the
page.
aligning and all that later.
Oh yeah, point. Okay. Now make a table.
Table.
Minimum 2 and 2 rows we learned from our lesson. Put the first one black and white.
1 minute.
Because black and white together make gray.
And now grandparents freedom, our freedom. Let me just
Hey, where is Dhyan? Dhyan and Raj.
Ma'am, Dhyan is doing
English class.
keyboard classes.
Oh, keyboard class.
Okay.
Musical class. You can hear now.
जल्दी आने के लिए बोलो ना.
Ma'am, but sir will let. Okay. Ma'am, but he's
Fine, we
sending
can do it
recording.
every
आज
day
है ना.
actually. I don't mind.
सिर्फ आज.
Every day we can do it.
No, every day. Day after tomorrow we have presentation, so don't call them over.
Celestine, so till day after tomorrow.
No,
which
no,
is
need Swasti. Finish it off today. Don't call them every day. Yeah. Boys, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, but we still have these empty columns like
It's okay. Finish it off. No problem.
Ma'am, the empty parts they can't come, so they'll have to do it tomorrow. Right?
Freedom to make mistakes. Whose was it?
Fine, ma'am. I'll do that. Grandparents' freedom.
Freedom to make mistakes was Swasti's. Yeah.
If
Give the access to Swasti.
okay. 24. Remember the rule.
24. Come on. Oh, I pressed stop share by mistake.
Yeah.
Doing it again.
Restart.
Control S. Mehran, keep doing Control S when you are doing it.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
thank God. The
Control S.
I'm giving you remote control. I've given you remote control.
Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Swasti, after you type, give Control S.
GRAN.
PA. You are horrible at mistake.
We can do all the proofing and all that stuff later. Most important, content.
Type.
And plus, we have only today to make the whole PPT. So,
And there's a lot of time in today. I can work for the entire day if I have to.
yeah, but everybody needs to do this, right? Mistake.
Do you type with one finger or two?
I type with my whole hand. I type with 10 fingers.
I type with 2 fingers.
Well,
Likely get beaten. This is not 24.
I have broken the rules. The minimum is 24. Hey. Yeah, you know what? Back. Space. Go back to 24. That's the rule. Stay at 24. Yeah. If I make.
You're referring to all of us, so you can make it V.
I don't know about other people's parents. So yeah.
Okay.
Or fine, I'll make it V. B. Make a mistake. We are expelled and who cares? Why is this thing forbidden?
Not necessarily forbidden. Wrong.
All wrong things are forbidden.
Yeah, but explain why this thing is wrong. Not all wrong things are forbidden.
Well, in my house, that's what happened. So yeah. 1 second, I forgot to add as the PERENTS. Well, SCARED. Discipline too high. Then also we'll make a bar graph in this 3, freedom to make mistakes. I want to make a bar graph of discipline.
Can I
Don't need
leave
a bar graph.
my
I'm
work is
asking ma'am. Ma'am, do we really need to make a bar graph of discipline?
It's not necessary, but we can do it for fun. A little bit fun works.
It's up to you.
Because discipline is directly related to freedom.
Not necessarily.
Most of the time.
Out. Why aren't you typing?
Well, I was typing when I told you that idea. Okay. That's it. Now,
Spell check. I will spell check.
spell check. What? Words.
Explain. Now I'm stopping the remote control.
Yeah. I'm just saying we can make a bar graph for discipline. Because more discipline means less freedom to do mistakes.
Yeah. That's
That's a direct relationship between discipline and mistakes.
discipline.
Yeah, I'll do that. Give that to me. I'm gonna do it. I've never done bar graph either, so.
Come on. Okay.
What? No, wait. We don't want 4 columns.
Oh my goodness. You have to work on it in Excel.
Oh, no thanks. Delete.
I made a bar graph before.
Well, I don't want that bar graph. This one is not the one I want. Go to bar graph. We want only a 2
High
kind
bar
of
graph,
thing.
bar graph like this. Area.
No, I want the first bar graph, but only with 2 columns in it.
Uh,
The first one, the column, only two, because it becomes too much.
we can edit it later to make it 2.
Well, who cares? Just leave it. No need a bar graph.
Blah.
Blah. No need the discipline thing either.
Okay, boys, Swasti and the children. Now, what about the others? Are they joining or what are we doing?
No, Dhyan is not joining.
Okay,
Dhyan won't
okay. Is Jay's work done? Does he have to do some more of anything?
No.
Jay, would you like to add on to the slides because they're going to only complete the slides today, whatever we discussed in the class?
Ma'am, no, I have an add-on.
Me and Mehran will do the.
Okay. So Mehran
Wait,
and
can I just
Swasti.
ask?
Okay, Jay, would you like to add on anything, Jay?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what about the conclusion day? How would you want the conclusion? See, we'll have to tell them thank you. This was about a project and there is a question and answer session. So we're going to ask them
Yeah,
if
we
they have any
can
questions.
work on that. 1 second. Ma'am, 1 second, okay? I think you should stay back a little because after we complete the presentation, I think we can do a rehearsal. If you
Yeah,
want,
we can do a rehearsal actually.
yeah, everybody who's there, rehearse your lines.
Okay. Listen,
I'm
Swasti,
removing this equation.
Mehran, wait. See, maybe they can join after some time. You can keep
Yeah.
yourself on
Hey,
mute.
you can leave. Can you please ask Vraj to join up because he needs to.
Okay, you can keep yourself on mute, but be in the session. After 10-15 minutes, you come back and check with the guys, with the friends.
Now my sister is in turmoil. I have to go help her. She's stuck
Okay.
inside the balcony.
Wait.
Okay, fine. Actually,
Ma'am,
we need
but-
to put the
ma'am, but
prayer
I
slide and that.
I have sent Raj message, but didn't. Calling.
You call them.
Not answering.
Tell them they'll have to join. If they're on the same system, no problem. At least for 2 minutes, let them come and join. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It's necessary, otherwise we won't be able to do that.
Yeah.
Yes,
Otherwise, all of us should be on the same page. Mehran, come fast. Mehran.
And there's also Mehran, we have to add the prayer, pledge, and the Constitution of India preamble.
Yeah.
Please,
That can be added
Forgot about
later.
that.
Swasti, that can be added later, not now. It's okay. From Swasti slide. Now move on to the slides. Now move on to your slides. What's your next one?
Freedom to trust.
freedom to trust has to be done by Arjun.
Ma'am,
Okay, Arjun said no, that we need to have trust in ourselves and we need to proceed.
Ma'am, unless you have noted all of Arjun's points, we can't do it without him.
Okay,
ma'am,
would you like me to read it out for you?
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
you
I'll
have
type
all
it.
of Arjun's points, ma'am?
Yeah, I have written all of your points.
What? What?
Okay.
What?
Um,
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'll insert the table thing.
ma'am,
Ma'am, can it be made in a tabular format?
it was only his views because he is not yet done with his grandparents. That's what he told us. So only his views I will just tell you. Otherwise, you need to wait for Arjun. Should we wait for Arjun?
Yeah, we should wait for Arjun.
Okay, then no problem.
Yes,
move
ma'am,
move
we'll
on to the
add
next
this-
one. Move on to the next
First,
one.
let's add his views. Let's
Ma'am,
add
we'll
his views and then wait.
We'll add the missing people's slides at the last. We'll wait if they join.
Okay, join
And
at
if they don't,
7:30.
we'll add. We'll do it myself.
They join us at 7:30, but don't unmute yourself. Like don't leave. Okay,
Don't leave.
I will
but if
go
you
at,
have anything to
7:30.
share- Okay.
you're going at 7:30. But meanwhile, they go and call Dhyan and come back. Go.
Okay.
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 Swasti,
Next,
now,
what it is?
now who's next? Which one is
Freedom
next?
of expression.
Okay. Freedom of
Freedom
expression.
of expression, yours. Go to yours, no, please. 1 second. You have already made a freedom for expression.
Oh yeah, right. It's right here. No, I think I
No.
deleted the style.
No, I don't think you did. No, wait. You have it. Over here. Slide number 9. Slide number
Oh yeah,
9.
right. And this
You
should be
delete
freedom
that
to
slide.
believe in yourself.
Yeah, put that freedom to believe in yourself, registered. Okay, anyway, you convert
Freedom
your
to believe in
slide into a
yourself is
table.
mine.
Yeah, freedom of expression is yours, right?
No, freedom to believe in yourself is mine. And I
Man, which one is Mehran's?
filled it in as an example. This is not the actual one.
1 sec. Ma'am, Shobna ma'am. We need your guidance, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm
Shobna
chatting to
ma'am.
ma'am if she can't hear.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, which one did Mehran get, ma'am?
Mehran. Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself, okay? So you put your believe in yourself, okay?
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
removing
fine.
this.
Expression is Dhyan.
Expression is Dhyan's. Okay,
Expression,
leave
I'm
that.
removing this for when Dhyan comes.
Believe
Yeah.
in yourself. Any luck with
Yes.
Dhyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Dhyan's here.
Oh, Dhyan, super. Okay. How is that when one of you come and other one goes off? Huh?
Ma'am, my class is there.
What class,
So
Dhyan?
Dhyan is attending your class and
Pia-
you are over
music
here.
piano, music piano.
Okay,
piano,
Dhyan,
keyboard.
till 12 o'clock you have classes. Huh?
No.
Dhyan,
All the time, ma'am. Class, ma'am, I have class.
Dhyan, just do yours fast because if you have a class, then we shouldn't be
So
interrupting.
Dhyan's was actually
So do yours super
expression.
fast.
Freedom. No, freedom of expression. Dhyan's was
Yeah,
freedom of
first
expression.
do Dhyan's. Do Dhyan's
Yeah,
first
let's
because we
do
don't know how
Dhyan.
long will he stay.
So
I'm
give
going
it,
to give Dhyan.
give Dhyan the access. Let Dhyan type it.
Dhyan, do you know how to make a table?
I've
Yes.
given you the remote control.
Okay, now Dhyan is controlling the screen. Dhyan, you can control his PPT. You give
Make
him a
a
table.
table.
Don't do any naughtiness with the PPT.
Table option is here.
So what I have to do exactly?
You have to make
Insert
a
a table.
Insert.
2 by 2
Insert.
table.
Go to insert. Go to insert, Dhyan.
Ma'am, there is a shorter way, ma'am.
Okay, then you guide him. No, tell him.
Oh,
There's
okay.
one option here.
There, actually, you can either
He's
go
doing
to
it.
insert table.
He's doing it. Swasti is doing it. Select only 2. No, not so far, Dhyan.
2
Only
by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2.
2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2, Dhyan. 2 by 2. Yes,
Into
yes.
2.
2 by 2.
2 into 2.
Enough.
I made it.
Use
Okay.
the
Now
black
Dhyan,
one.
you go.
Yeah, black because black and white go with gray. That's why I've chosen
So
black
what I
and
have
white.
to write?
You have to write freedom of expression, your grandparents,
Over
and
here,
your own.
grandparents' freedom and our freedom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandparents' freedom in one box. Type.
Size
Grandparents'
24.
freedom.
Keep the size 24.
Yeah. Grandparents. Type. Grandparents.
Grants PARENTS.
Grandparents. Apostrophe.
Yeah.
On top, apostrophe will come. Apostrophe. On top.
Oh,
Shift. Shift.
Okay.
On
Dhyan,
top. On top, Dhyan. Shift.
Dhyan.
This one?
Correct. Space.
You don't need to watch the spelling.
Wait,
Just
Swasti,
write.
wait. Swasti, no S. Dhyan, no S. Yeah. Space. Freedom.
FR. This is right spell.
Exactly.
Spelling
Now to
doesn't
the next
matter.
one. Jay, can you pull out a chair and sit next to Dhyan? Jay, 2 minutes, Jay. Come back. Jay.
They can't hear you, ma'am. Dhyan has the headphones. Dhyan tells Dey to take a chair and sit down right next to you.
Dhyan ask Dey to come next to you.
They.
Okay. You know what? I think you should disconnect the headphones so that you both can listen.
No problem. Now next one. Is it my opinions or my freedom? What have you all typed?
Our freedom.
Our freedom. Okay, come to the right, Dhyan. Our freedom. Type fast.
And Dhyan, the spelling doesn't matter.
We'll correct it later.
Now, what was your grandparents? What did they feel and what did you feel? Quickly, Dhyan, type fast.
How much freedom of expression did your grandparents get, Dhyan? They give the headset to Dhyan so that he can listen to what we are telling him.
Again, it is speaker. In speaker.
He's on the speaker, so no problem. Dhyan, whatever comes in your mind, you type it, okay? In their time, whatever happened. Yeah.
Dhyan, there's no need to look at the spellings. We can auto-correct it using the spell check function.
Later.
Okay?
There are British ruling, so freedom of.
Dhyan, please type. We have limited time to complete this.
Yeah, don't say anything, just type. And if the spelling is wrong, it doesn't matter because we can correct the spelling. What matters is that you write it. Okay, Dhyan?
Yes.
I'm going to go to the washroom and come back.
Yeah. Dhyan, spelling doesn't matter. Dhyan, the spelling does not matter.
But I am copying, so I won't write it.
We can use the autocorrect function and correct it, Dhyan. It doesn't matter. Just write.
1B. E. Why?
Just copy everything and do.
Remember, it is not working.
This is the clipboard feature in Windows 10.
Okay, now. Yeah, Dhyan, the keyboard isn't working. Is that what you're saying?
If the keyboard isn't working, Mehran, take control of your screen.
Yeah, Mehran, take the control and Jay is going to dictate and you're going to type. Yeah.
Dhyan, ma'am, Dhyan.
In our freedom.
Dhyan, yeah.
In our freedom, we have happiness.
We are happy.
Happiness, and we have angry. We can angry in that time. We cannot angry.
Right to be angry.
Can't you just put comma instead of right? We have the right to be angry. Just put a comma. Really, the and we have the right to be angry. If you can use that expression, you have the right to.
Yes.
What? I'm not understanding the grandparents' freedom part. Expression, sad, sometimes happy.
Yeah, elaborate on it, Jay. Yeah, elaborate on it, Dhyan.
Because in there was British rules. After that, so means.
I can elaborate it on my own, adding the points of Dhyan.
Yeah. Let him say and let him. You can elaborate on it, Mehran. Yeah.
During
During the British rule.
This
B capital.
rule.
Ma'am, we can fix all of that capital small at the end,
This
ma'am.
rule.
Most important is that it is written.
They were rarely happy and were not given the right to be angry
And sad.
and disagree.
No, disagree comes in
Oh yeah, no need of
disagree
this.
comes in freedom to believe in yourself. Angry and sad.
No, they had the right to be sad. They can be sad whenever they wanted.
They couldn't act. They always had to act like they were happy. In my thing, just saying. Dhyan, what do you say? This is yours.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
This man said
were forced to be happy. That is brutal.
Yeah, that's actually true.
Now I'll just fix this. Were.
Can't we do everything at the end? Dhyan has a limited amount of time.
1 minute, I'll just change this to 24.
The
Yeah.
rules. You broke the rule. And we are not forced to be happy. And are not forced to be happy. At that point, you have added in grandparents' freedom. You have to add in our freedom too.
yes.
And we are not forced to be happy. You have to add that. That's
We
the rules.
are not forced
To
to
be
do
happy.
anything.
To do anything again comes in freedom of choice. To be happy.
We were not forced to be happy. That's it.
Okay. Dhyan, do you want to add anything more? If you don't want to and you have a class, you can go.
Yes.
But after some time, they are supposed to join, remember?
After some time, everybody has to join because you're going to do a rehearsal. Rehearsal. We will do a rehearsal.
Oh, okay. So you are planning to sing also for the project? Never mind. I'm going to include one more slide there.
No, ma'am. I don't want to.
Ma'am.
I'm very bad.
Ma'am, we can have a little bit fun to lighten up the serious mood, ma'am.
Okay.
We can make a
Ma'am,
song
if
about
somebody
freedom.
is not happy, then they can't do the work properly, ma'am.
I know, but sometimes people are low. They say, today I don't want to say anything. So what about those people?
We
Those
sing
people, we
and
need
make them
something
laugh, and then they
bright
all
and vibrant.
we
and
will
practice.
rehearse later. So Dhyan, you have to come
Up with
Okay,
some
okay,
song.
start believing.
and join in separately.
Mehran beta, jaldi
Yes,
kar
ma'am.
dena.
Freedom.
Rules, Mehran. Rules.
Dhyan, does Braj stay with you, Dhyan?
No, Braj is my another friend. So today he forgot class because he's playing games. So he forgot.
Okay, ask him to join
Dhyan,
for some time.
Raj's
Dhyan, ask
phone
Braj
number?
to join for some time.
I will message in Zoom.
Why don't you call him and ask him to join? Also
Call
call Arjun. I
Arjun.
heard Arjun is your friend.
Swasti, yourself, you have to be with Mehran. Dhyan, I'm talking to Dhyan.
Can you
Dhyan, you call up Braj.
Ma'am, there's send message him. Send the message.
Saying what he's going to.
How only?
Is he going to launch a rocket now?
Means
So busy, Braj.
Braj has been invited in my meeting. Here is my meeting. Go.
Very good. Call him, add him.
They had very less freedom to
Yeah, parents were discouraged most of the time. They had very less freedom. Okay.
believe in
Ma'am, would you mind if I have a little stretch? My cardiovascular system is suffering.
What did I tell you all? This is not a regular session. You can feel free to be original.
Oh no, I added another one.
Ma'am, I won't be moving around always, just a little bit.
Our freedom.
It's so good. And I just see what my parents are fighting about.
Not.
Okay. We are
And
in.
I can share screen. I can.
प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कशन
Ma'am, I can share screen and. Ma'am, I can share screen. Stop, Mehran share screen. Ma'am, I can share screen. All Braj and I can try Arjun because Arjun is not Let's create a code, download a code, and need the documents. Okay. I can slash invite.
पापा मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा मुझे जरूरत आएगा मुझे गाड़ी करनी है
Okay, Swasti, are you back? Swasti?
Ma'am, I can share screen. Ma'am, I can share screen.
Swasti, are you back? Swasti? Okay, Mehran, I give mute all. Mehran, you unmute yourself if you want to speak. Okay, I'll give mute all. Swasti,
Did anybody join?
yeah, they're all here. But Swasti, so much of sound from your end, like bam.
Yes, my brother is going ballistic.
Yeah.
Okay, but
What's wrong?
See, my brother doesn't want to take the proper precautions and he's like, I want to go down. But then when we are saying take the proper precautions, no, I don't want to take. What will you do?
oh, okay.
So he's going ballistic and I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Make that bold. Everything
now
has to be in
let's
one.
concentrate on our work. Yeah. Hey, De, Ajao, Dhyan
Our
bolo.
freedom to trust the notes we have to fill in.
Ma'am, I can share screen 1 second.
Or you can share screen. What do you want to show us?
That I am calling.
Dhyan. Let them continue working. Dhyan.
I want
Dhyan. What is this?
Now he's sharing his screen nicely. What are you doing?
I'm calling Brad.
So why did you have to share the screen?
Actually, we have to work, no? We have to complete the
Dhyan,
whole
Dhyan,
thing tonight.
Dhyan, seriously, we have to respect all the others' time. Stop sharing. Mehran, take over.
Yes,
Stop
ma'am.
sharing. Dhyan, stop sharing. Dhyan, please. Dhyan, are you with me? Please stop sharing.
Wondershare, Filmora, Steve, Roblox, Minecraft. What all will you play?
I know. Dhyan, are you listening?
Dhyan, it doesn't matter. Okay, just call them on the phone or something.
By the way, who gave access to Dhyan? By the way,
I did not give, ma'am.
The host, as long as somebody's screen share stops, another can easily
no,
screen share.
actually, Mehran was sharing the screen, and all of a sudden, how did he actually?
Ma'am,
Mehran, stop sharing.
Ma'am, I thought Dhyan was sharing something important related to the project.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Now he left.
Okay, he'll join again because I guess
soon.
he didn't figure out how to do the stop sharing. Yeah, Mehran, quickly.
So he's like, I'll go, then they won't see it.
Grandparents. Ooh, my keyboard is about to break.
Water. You didn't drink? What about Amma? You take coffee, no?
Ma'am, Ma'am, what is the freedom to trust thing?
We can note down Arjun's points.
Ma'am, do you have Arjun's point?
Arjun had few, but let us finish.
Oh, Vraj just joined. Take down Vraj's fast.
Yeah.
Vraj is what part?
Braj had,
Ma'am, I can stay till 8 o'clock. After that, I can't stay.
so you'll have to be fast.
After that, I have a
Hi,
lot of
Vraj.
work.
Braj, you can choose
Okay,
out
once
of
again,
these
set
five.
the five
Oh, Braj
freedoms.
is traveling somewhere. Is Braj somewhere?
Actually, I
Oh, Vraj is traveling. That's why he wasn't joining. Anyway.
Okay. Braj, are you traveling
Vraj
somewhere?
one sec.
yes, actually, I'm traveling. So
Okay. Braj, out of these five, no freedom of expression, freedom to choose and all. Which one do you like to choose?
Only freedom of trust is weak.
choose.
Which one?
Freedom to
One
choose.
sec.
Freedom to choose. Okay, add on one more slide and duplicate it. So under freedom to choose, even he wants to speak. We have only 5 but 6 students. We have 6 students. We have only 5. So let Raj also share his points. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm just saying, if you
Last,
don't
you
have
can
any,
add wait.
I
Swasti,
don't
you can add
think.
it off after the fifth one. You can add it off after the 5th one. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I don't want to add
and
anything,
one
ma'am. I just want to say something.
Please say.
Ma'am, I think that instead of doing that, Vraj can rather speak the preamble and the
Regarding
pledge.
freedom also, wait, Swasti, regarding freedom also he has to share, isn't it? So let Raj actually
I'm
speak
actually
what
have
comes
an
to his mind.
internet problem.
Okay, and Mehrana is going to type. Raj, just speak what comes to your mind regarding your grandparents' time, freedom to choose, and during your time, freedom
Ma'am,
to choose.
I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, have you not done the interaction with your grandparents, Raj?
Raj, are you there?
Yes.
Vraj, have you interacted with your grandparents?
Yes, I have interacted.
Okay, tell us how much freedom to choose did they have and how much freedom to choose do we have?
How much freedom they had?
They had very much freedom to choose. In my conversation,
Okay, your grandparents had lot of freedom to choose. Okay. What about your freedom to choose?
it's also like them only.
Is it very similar?
Yeah, it's very similar.
Okay, one more thing. Now you dictate it, you say your words and Mehran will type it for you.
Ma'am, I have a signal problem.
No problem. You just say, otherwise you can chat as well. Not an issue. We are able to hear you. You just say what
Chat it out, I'll copy paste it in here.
you just say what comes to your mind, Raj.
If the internet signal is low, you can turn off your video.
Just repeat the question. What?
Yeah, you can turn off your video and audio and you can chat it to Mehran.
Keep your audio on, set it, and then
Repeat the question.
Can you repeat the question, please, for me?
you have to explain the freedom to choose about your grandparents and how it is for us.
Yeah. Okay.
Chat you can type.
Raj, are you there?
Yeah.
Please.
Vraj, switch off your video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Vraj. Now, if you are still facing a signal problem or if my voice is breaking, you can switch off your audio as well. And then you have to chat it to Mehran. Mehran will copy paste it and put it in there. You'll have to write it to Mehran if you have problems with the audio also. Vraj?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah,
Raj.
Mehran, stop the naughtiness. Stop.
Vraj is not dictating it. I'm getting
One-
bored and I have
one sec.
limited time. I'm
Just
getting
1
out at 8
second.
o'clock.
Just 1 second.
He's writing it. I'll make
I've
a song.
paused here.
Raj chooses freedom to choose. All alone, so oh. Along with the
This
Raj is also
Mehran
chosen freedom to
conversation,
choose.
I do not
Okay.
care.
Guys, we can have fun
Okay.
in the class, but no messing around with the PPT. Okay?
Yeah, I'm not messing around. I'm just showing you my desktop. The
Gosh,
computer
no
name is this
need.
Mehran.
Focus on the PPT.
Raj, please chat it out quickly. I can share. I do not care. Microsoft Edge.
Dhyan Patel is gone, right?
I think so. I don't play a lot of games. These are the only games I have.
Well, I have no games.
Too bad.
Actually, I want Pottermore, but nah. Guys, should I show you something really cool that I have?
What?
It's for, I want to show it to you. Mera, especially one sec. I'll be back. I have to get it. So jealous.
I sent it to Mehran.
Look at this, man.
Yeah, okay. Vraj has sent it. What the hell is
Is
that?
it okay? Is it okay for?
Yeah, I'm going to type it in.
This is the Elder Wand.
Now type in how freedom is like for us.
Till what time I have to do this and
Just do freedom to choose our freedom and then you can go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
freedom to our freedom, you say, Vraj now. Vraj,
I
you
have
say
written
our
it
freedom. Your freedom, that is your freedom. In your time, how is freedom to choose? Do you have any restriction? Do you have any restriction, Vraj?
no, I wrote to Mehran that we
That
also
is-
have freedom, but not
Okay,
every
I
time.
get
I
it.
have
You are
written it.
Okay, in the chat, Vraj, in the chat, you type it for everybody. Copy and paste it for everybody, Vraj.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mehran, I
If
have
you're
the
done with it, you
Elder
can.
Wand. I have the Elder Wand, Mehran.
doesn't work. It's just a model. Stop making me jealous.
Bro, what are you doing? It's so zoomed in.
Fraction is there.
Photo kalsi.
Sir,
What
find
is
Photo kalsi.
sir photo.
I'm gonna aim this wand at you, Mehran. Oh God, Kadabra! And you're dead.
I'm not there. I'm on the other side of the computer and I'm very alive. Stop.
Where is Dhyan and where is they?
Mehran, do you have a wand?
What?
Do you have a wand?
Nope. I am officially out of toys. I don't play with toys anymore.
Fine, just get a pen and that can be your wand, and we can have a spell duel since we're both Harry Potter fans. What do you think? But we have to pretend that we are here face to face, okay? Otherwise,
I don't
our
have a
spells
wand,
will
I
have no
do have
effect.
Okay,
That
you
would be like, Duro,
My sister's
no
pencil.
effect on you. So that's not allowed. Okay, you have
My
this.
sister's pencil.
Okay, stand up Like a proper duelist.
I don't care. I have work to do. We're going to do this later. Actually, when I'm more free.
Yeah, you do this after when we both are free.
Till what time is this class going on?
Wait, you have reached?
Yeah, I have reached. But till what time I have to?
Just
Oh,
Oh,
tell
you just
the
give
hours.
us our free. Mehran
have
just
to be there
pays
for the
whatever
rehearsal.
our freedom was, and he can go.
But what about the rehearsal? The rehearsal.
Yeah, Vraj, you just tell us.
Yes.
Mehran, you just pays the our freedom, and Vraj, you just stay. You switch off your audio and video, and we'll tell you when it's time for the rehearsal.
Any problem? I'm not having any problem now.
Okay, then.
Okay, but we are going to be doing a rehearsal at the end of the class. So you can after you can leave now, and you
Raj,
can come
please
back
tell
for the
me our
rehearsal.
freedom after 8 o'clock and I cannot be here.
Yeah, so Mehran, please copy paste it. He has sent it to everybody.
Oh, I don't know.
I have sent it to everybody. What I have written.
That's the grandparents' freedom. I want the our freedom part.
Okay. Okay.
Type it quick. Till then, I'll play with my laptop.
1 second, Mehran, you give the control to me.
थोड़ी सी देर मुझे बहुत काम करना है.
If we just tinker that a little bit, and we can then put it in our freedom. We have the freedom to choose time for playing and also choose our subject, and we also have.
This is going to take a long time. My mother is calling me. Please be quick. Until then,
Mehran, just copy paste the same thing.
what?
Whatever he has given for that one, no.
Yeah. Just make it. Yeah.
Yeah, copy paste it and make it in present tense. That's it. Vraj, you can go only up. Then when Arjun gives it to us, when Arjun comes, then we will take it from him and then we will have our rehearsal. And Mehran, you still have to, after this, add the prayer, pledge and Constitution of India. You can copy paste my pictures and put them on.
Also choose our subject, and we also have
Malta one.
Okay, I send it.
Atul, please go out.
Now you can go, Vraj. We'll call you back for the rehearsal. Okay, do one thing. Just delete that and just send give it our freedom one.
Yeah.
And just copy paste this. CTRL plus C, CTRL plus V. One second. I'll request the remote control. You give it to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Remote control. I have given you all. Approve. Take it. 1 minute. My mother is calling me. I'll come.
1 sec.
Okay, come back, Mehran, fast. Maybe he should have given you the remote access and gone. No?
Batul, please.
Okay. Mehran, just finish it off. Yeah. I think almost you all are done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Only
Just have to
Arjun's is
insert-
pending. Only Arjun's is pending, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, come back to the next slide. Come back to the next slide.
Now
Okay.
I'll give it back to you
Every
and
time,
you
spell check quickly.
every time thingy.
Every time. Okay.
EVER.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now Raj I think is left. Am I right?
Yeah, I think he has.
Well, fine. Does anybody have Dhyan's number? Yeah, I think. Yeah, I have Dhyan's number. I'll phone.
I'll get
I'll
the
phone
preamble and the stuff.
Yeah,
and
now you
phone
add the
it.
preamble and all of that, and till then I'll phone Dhyan to tell them to phone Arjun so that both Arjun and they come.
I will just get. What do I have to search to get the prayer?
Listen, you have my PPT, right?
Yeah.
But you just copy paste the prayer and all of that from there. I don't mind it.
I deleted it when we started making our own. Mine.
Yeah, just do CTRL plus C, CTRL plus C, CTRL plus C, CTRL plus V, CTRL plus V, CTRL plus V. Yeah. I'll go to my Word doc because I kept it all saved there because I'm smart. And keep my elder wand there so that I don't have an escort.
We're the people of United States.
Mama, I need your phone.
What happened? Swasti left the Mehran?
No, ma'am, she's there, but she went to her mother for something. I'm searching for the preamble thing.
Okay, now where are you? Mehran, I think you should go down. Why are you coming back to the main slide?
Ma'am?
Why are you coming to the main slide, Mehran? Come down.
I'm searching for the preamble thing.
No, not now.
Just copy paste mine.
Mehran will send the PPT today to me. I will collate it. All these are small things which I can add it off. Okay, don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come down. Welcome to our project. Very good. Next slide.
The 5
Freedom to choose, freedom to trust, freedom to make mistakes, freedom of expression, freedom. Okay, next slide.
Freedom
Okay.
to choose. I've added freedom A and B like this.
Very good. Okay, no problem. Yeah, come down.
Freedom to trust is mistake.
Arjun has to add. Correct. Come down.
Freedom to make mistakes.
Very good. Come down. Who's there? Who's calling whom?
I am calling Dhyan.
Okay. Come down. Okay.
Now, I don't think this conclusion is needed.
Not required. Okay.
Yeah,
Now
delete that slide.
delete this slide, and after this, Mehran, you remember what was the subtopics we were talking about, Mehran?
We were talking about questionnaire. What?
Methodology. So type methodology. I'm typing the spelling here in the chat. So type methodology there.
Methodology.
Done, na?
Ma'am, should I give bullets or remove the bullets?
Methodology, you can give bullets because we have the questionnaire, then interaction, recording, correct? Yeah.
Methodology.
Yes.
I'm keeping size 24 because that's like the basic size.
Exactly. Yes. Very good. Now, first one was learn to frame sentences, correct? That's what we did.
Hello?
Prepare a questionnaire.
Am I talking to Dhyan?
Learning to frame sentences.
Hello?
Frame.
Am I talking to Dhyan's parents?
Next sentence.
Enter.
Prepare the questions.
Ma'am, I'm adding like preparing.
Oh, sorry. Learning to frame questions. Sorry, Mehran. Learning to frame questions.
Swasti,
Ah. Mehran, you know how you need to do. Write questionnaire and below that you write learning to frame questions. So it will be the main bullet and then the sub bullet.
Ma'am, for
Can
that
you give
I
me the
think-
access? Mehran, you give me the access. I'll show you one example.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've given you the access.
Okay, one small example. It's not coming. Yeah, it's coming. Slideshow. Okay, so first one is your questionnaire.
Ma'am, but the bullet will come over here only.
Actually, it doesn't show, but it's okay.
Ma'am, I think there's a different option for the multi thing.
I know. Okay, questionnaire, and then you can give a. Okay, now questionnaire, and below that you can just give some other bullet, like say an arrow or something. We can give it once again. One second. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Mehran.
Yeah.
Then comes learning to frame questions. Discussion.
Arjun should be coming soon. Mehran,
Yeah. It's not me who's typing, it's ma'am.
oh ma'am,
Yeah. Different type. Yeah.
ma'am, can I say something?
So I have
Your
given you an
first
example.
bullet point.
Okay, I've given you an example here. How it has to be done. Okay, I'm just taking the
Ma'am,
thing up. 1 minute, Swasti. I'm just doing.
ma'am, it's very important. It's about the
Tell me.
presentation.
Tell me.
Ma'am, the first bullet point is different from the other two.
Tell
Yeah.
me what.
This is
The
like
first bullet point is different from the other two bullet points.
this is like the main
So,
subtitle, and this is the subtitles of the subtitle.
so if you are trying to put these points inside questionnaire, then you have to just click tab. Okay, just click tab over there.
Yeah, 1 minute. I remember. In HTML, it's like that.
Okay, I'm giving the access to Mehran now.
Stop handling that.
Mama,
Okay, Mehran, have you had the access? Mehran, do you have the access as well?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, carry on.
Okay, Mehran, just put a tab there so that it looks better. Because for the questionnaire, we learned how to frame questions. So tab. Then just don't waste any space. So go to the line before interacting with grandparents, backspace, and make this a little smaller. 40 is too bigger than the title.
Yeah, I'm going to
Make everything smaller.
24.
24, good.
Interacting with grandparents. Enter backspace the other one. Boing, and ma'am, what should I add in this?
Hello, ma'am, we need your guidance. Ma'am,
It's going to take a long time because I need to confirm with my mother how long I can stay.
still 8:30, Arjun should be coming. Dhyan or they, I don't know which one, but he'll probably go ask Arjun. And Arjun will join. He'll tell us the freedom to trust him. And then I'll be like Avada Kedavra for coming late.
Interacting with grandparents.
Sempre vulnera silenter Avada Kedavra.
Ma'am, what do you add in interacting with grandparents?
We need your guidance.
I am chatting privately to ma'am.
Ma'am, we need your guidance, ma'am. Need your guidance. 1 second. Ma'am, I will be back. Till then, you can look at Percy Jackson.
Why? I don't want to. I have to complete this by 8 o'clock. I have a lot of time though. Ma'am,
Tell me.
yeah, what do you have to add in this?
Interacting with the grandparents. What did you do, Mehran?